Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and here we have the dimensions. This is the top view of the model and this is the right view, and we will get help from these dimensions to design this 3D model. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here we have the dimensions, and firstly I have to close this model. For closing the model in SolidWorks, just come here and click on close. Now I have to make a new part. For making a new part, just come here and click on new part. Okay, now we have a new part. I'm going to draw the sketch of the top view, then we will extrude the sketch. So here I have to choose a plane, and in SolidWorks we have three standard planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. At first it doesn't matter which plane you choose, but I suggest you to choose the front plane. So click on the front plane and click on a sketch to open a new sketch. The sketch is open. I'm going to use the mirror to draw the sketch. So I need two center lines. Here choose center line and start drawing the center line from the origin point. So draw a vertical line and right click and select, and again draw a horizontal line from this the origin point. So draw a horizontal line and right click and select. Now choose a line and draw a vertical line. Here we have arc, so here choose 3-point arc and start drawing arc from this point and draw a arc. The center of the arc must be this side of the sketch. Here choose line and draw a vertical line, a horizontal line, and choose 3-point arc and draw a arc. The center of the arc must be this side of the sketch, and draw another arc here. The center of the arc must be this side of the sketch, and connect this point to the center line by another arc, and right click and select. If you can see the dimensions or the relations come in hide and show items, then you can turn on or turn off the sketch view relations or the dimensions. So we have to make the arcs tangent to each other. So apply the tangent relation. Sorry, I think I exited the sketch. Hold the control button and choose this arc and this one and give it tangent relation. Do the same thing here, tangent relation and tangent relation. Choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this point to the center line, the mirror dimension is 214 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to this center line, the mirror dimension is 216 millimeter, and the radius of this arc is 44.8 millimeter. You can see the sketch is not still fully defined because it is still moving, but the color of the lines are changing to blue. So here choose a smart dimension. The radius of this arc is 41 millimeter, and the radius of this one is, I think, 12 millimeter. Yes, the radius of this arc, the smaller one, is 12 millimeter. Let me move the sketch a little bit. Yes, here choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this point to the center line, the mirror dimension is 126 millimeter. The sketch is not still fully defined because it is still moving. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this line to this center line, the mirror dimension is 146 millimeter. Yes, but the sketch is, I think, is still moving. You can see the sketch here is still moving. Here choose line and draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. And now choose a 3-point arc and draw an arc. The center of the arc must be this side of the sketch, and connect this arc to this line by another arc. And right click and select to exit the arc. Here hold the control button and choose this arc and this one and give it tangent relation. And do the same thing here, tangent relation. Hold the control button and choose this arc and this one and give it concentric relation. The center of the arc, these two arcs must be merged. So choose this arc. Sorry, choose this arc, this one and give it concentric relation. Let me see what's the problem here. Yes, here shows smart dimension. The dimension from this line to this line is 12.7, I think, no, 12.3 millimeter. And the dimension from this line to this line is 12.7 millimeter. And let me see what's the problem. Hold the control button and choose this arc and this line and give it tangent relation. And choose this point and this point and give it a horizontal relation. And choose this point and give it horizontal relation. The sketch is not still fully defined because it is still moving. You can see it is still moving. So I'm going to mirror these lines to this side of the center line. So here choose mirror entities and choose all of these lines in the entities to mirror. Now in mirror about, choose this vertical center line and click on OK. Now we have to mirror these lines to this side of the center line. So again, choose mirror entities and choose all of these lines in the entities to mirror, and in mirror about, choose this horizontal line, horizontal center line, and click on OK. Now here we have the sketch. It's a little bit hard to see the sketch. Here we have too many relations. So here in hide and show items, we should turn off the sketch view relations and the dimensions. Hold the control button and choose this arc and this one and give it tangent relation. The sketch is fully defined, everything is black, and the sketch is not moving. Okay. Now what we have to do is just I think we have to draw a circle. So here choose 2-point circle and draw a circle at the origin point, and right click and select. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this circle is I think the dimension of circle is 60 millimeter. Yes. Now all we have to do is just extrude the sketch. Here comes the feature and click on extrude boss and base. If you don't have the feature tab, right click and you can turn on or turn off the feature tab. Come to the feature and click on extrude boss and base, and in selected contour choose this region. We have to extrude the sketch about 25 millimeter. Here must be blind sketch plane, and don't turn on these two options and click on OK. Here we have the model, and in view orientation we can choose many different views. For example, this view, or I think this view is much better. Yes. Here choose this boss extrude, and now all we have to do is just apply a color. I think the color purple is better. So here choose purple and OK. Here we have the model. I will leave the link of the dimension in the caption. Please practice at home and do it yourself. I have uploaded over 60 videos on my YouTube channel about designing in SolidWorks, drawing, sketch, and many other things. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.